Hi everyone! In this video we will show you how to use drone mapping instead of measuring tapes, measuring wheel and draw sketches to produce accurate 2D area measurements. In case you would like to order material for your project or produce offer for end customer, this could be a great solution for you. Here we have already calculated orthophoto and point cloud and we are in CAD tab. Start drawing with drawing tool. You can connect whichever element on the map. We know that if we would have to calculate the surface of a similar area with the measurement tape, it would last much longer and it would be much less accurate, reason being irregular shapes of the surface. It is important that at the end you snap on the endpoint and in this way you will get closed polygon. Let's go to the Orthophoto tab where you can see your 2D area and here you can export your quick sketch as PDF. Enter title and set the other preferable data. Select where you would like to save the file and finish the export. Your PDF document is ready in seconds. Open it with browser or PDF viewer and start your project today. Thanks for watching.